How to delete all duplicates photos on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can delete all duplicate photos on iPhone. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's begin. First step that you'll need to take is head over to the Photos app. Now what we are doing here is using the built-in Photos app and the utilities in it. So open up Photos, and after you're here, simply scroll down. There you will see a utilities section. Now if you don't find it, you might have to update your software, which I'll show you at the end of this video. So after you're on the utilities section, you'll see duplicates. Tap on duplicates. Right here, you'll find all of the items that have duplicates of each other, and you can basically delete them. Now, here you'll find a merge button with all of your duplicates. You can tap on merge, and then tap on merge exact 2 copies, and the photos will get deleted. And it's basically that simple. And now we can select and do the same for all of them. Now if you don't see the utilities section, you might have to update your iOS version. To do that, simply navigate to your settings. After you're there, go to general, search for general, tap on it, then go to software update. Then you'll find updates available right here. Then update your software and you should be able to delete all the duplicates as well. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye.